Previously on America's Next Top Hair Gel. I only have one picture left, yet there are two of you standing in front of me.
I see a rose in bloom.
I only have one picture left, yet there are two of you standing in front of me. Eco Styler, I have been hearing your praises ever since I first joined the natural hair community in 2015. Are you really as good as they say you are? Or are you just surviving off of the hype? And Aunt Jackie's, you're new on the scene, but your lack of marketing and advertising makes me question if you're worth spending money on to try. So who is going to win? The shy one or the one that is all the hype? I only have one picture, and the name I am going to call is both of them, because they both did a great job. Look at my curls. My curls is popping. They both did a good job. Yes, check out that definition. Hey Roses, thanks for watching my video. So I just have a quick question. Would you rather have A, short natural hair, like short natural hair, but it's super healthy and the curls are always popping, or B, long natural hair, like past bra strap length natural hair, super long, but you have a lot of damage and split ends? Be honest. Comment below, let me know what you think. And if you are wondering where I got this whole snack crop top from, I got it from prettygirlgangohio.com. The link is in my description box. So go online, buy you something nice, and join the Pretty Girl Gang. Pretty Girl Gang, hey, Pretty Girl Gang, hey, Pretty Girl Gang. Mwah.